Well, I'm not a real doctor either. So. Well, that's pretty cool. Sounds like your music has taken you to a lot of different places, and you've got to experience a lot of things that a lot of us never get a chance to.
Yeah.
That's really cool. Would you all like to go ahead and start us off with a song this afternoon?
Sure.
All right. This is Tim Foust on 95.3 KDKD.
I've seen rain on the Mississippi Delta.
I've seen the
sunrise on Baton Rouge. But of all the things these eyes have seen, baby, nothing compares to you. Well, I heard some tales from an old Patty Jackson, from a sacred place in Tennessee, where music fills the air and love is everywhere. A boy like me could never leave. You know me, I had to see it for myself. So I hit the road and took your heart along. And those cowboys played those strings in ways I've never seen. But I only heard your song. I've seen rain on the Mississippi Delta. I've seen the sunrise on Baton Rouge. But of all the things these eyes have seen, baby, nothing compares to you. Now night is falling on this crazy little town, and I'm headed out the door, 'cause I know that all I need is you right here with me. And I'm not leaving anymore. I've seen rain on the Mississippi Delta. I've seen the sunrise on Baton Rouge. But of all the things these eyes have seen, baby, nothing compares to you. No, nothing compares to you. Baby, nothing compares to you.
Tim Foust on 95.3 KDKD. As you got to the end of that song, it just hit me. I was going to ask you about your vocal range. 5 octaves, is that right?
It's about 5, yeah.
That's a lot. Most of us, a couple of octaves, and we just sound kind of dead all the way through. That's pretty cool. You have, like I say, a new CD out, and people can get that where?
I'd say the best place is on iTunes. Check it out. It's Tim Foust. Foust is spelled with an O, F-O-U-S-T. And of course we're on Amazon.com and all that stuff. And you can look me up on Facebook as well, Facebook.com/Tim Foust Music.
What if I get in place here? It's kind of hard to fit the 3 of you in here in the studio, but we do what we can.
I gotta give props to Henry because he was on the verge of sneezing that whole night.
Yeah, I could just see him smiling over there.